Want to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then this may be the right time, because right now special Hostinger discount deals are running right now. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this. Now I'm going to tell you how you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with up to 95% discount. So before we buy, the first thing which I like is that Hostinger offer 30 days money back guarantee on all of the plans. This is an amazing feature. If you scroll below, look around on the reviews on Trustpilot on what people are saying regarding Hostinger. So let's see what people are saying for Hostinger. So some of the reviews are 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Okay, so almost all of the reviews are 5 star or 4 star reviews. So this is an amazing thing from Hostinger, and this inspired me to buy my hosting from Hostinger. And right now it's my 5th year from Hostinger. So if you want to avail this amazing deal, now see some of the reviews regarding Hostinger, what people are saying. Almost everyone is happy. Even I am very happy from my own 5 years of experience. Hostinger also has Hostinger AI builder through which you can create your website or app today. Hostinger also support WordPress like my own website. And if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service where they are going to shift all of your website data free of cost. Now scroll below and you can see around 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. Even I'm one of them. 10 million plus websites are created from Hostinger. Now without wasting much of your time, directly move over to the plan on how you can get as much as up to 95% discount on all of the plans. So the good thing is that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime and 24/7 support. By default, you can see Hostinger has 3 plans, but Hostinger has other plans as well. You can simply move to the products and look around for other plans as well. So the best thing is that the coupon code works on any plan as long as you click on the link in the description. So now let's discuss these plans. So these are the 3 most popular plans: Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud Startup. So just there are basic differences, like in premium plan you can host up to 3 websites, in unlimited you have unlimited websites, in the cloud startup you also have unlimited website. All of the plans offer domain for free for the first year if you click on the link in the description. The premium plan has SSD 20 GB storage, but the unlimited has 50 GB NVMe storage, and the cloud startup has 100 GB NVMe storage. So you can see these are some basic differences in all of the plans. So do your research before opting for one. If you ask me, my recommendation is to offer this unlimited plan. Right now it's 79% off at Hostinger, but I'm going to make it 95% for you. So simply select the choose plan over here. Again, this is only valid if you click on the link in the description and follow my tutorial as I am explaining to you. So once you are landed over here, look around on the Hostinger billing periods. By default, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. If you want to save the maximum amount of money, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. After this, you can claim your free domain by writing over here. I'm just giving you as an example. You can also claim it later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as each panel. I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain I'm getting from Hostinger. So I can see my order summary over here. My 79% discount is over there. Plus I'm going to select I have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code for Hostinger. You can find this in the description of this video along with a special discount link. The coupon code is ALIRAZAMARKETING. Once I apply this coupon code, I'm going to see that my price got a further discount. So 79% plus 10% is 89%, plus free domain, plus daily backups and free mailboxes for 1 year. It's more than 95%. So 79 plus 10 is 89, and now 6 more percent is through free domain, daily backups and free mailboxes for 1 year. So after this, simply select the continue over here to move to the last part. Now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to create a new account at Hostinger. But since I'm already logged in, so I'm at the last part and I'm going to see my order summary over here. Is everything is fine at Hostinger? After this, you can edit your billing details over here. Everything is as per your convenience. Now move on to the last part and select, and that is selecting payment methods. Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate for crypto payments. So there are so many options, and they even offer some country specific as well. For instance, if you choose credit card, add your credit card details and simply select the submit payment. Add within few minutes, you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So the process is very easy. Just for a revision, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use the coupon code as I've explained in this video. I've been using Hostinger from last 5 years and my experience so far is very good. So I want you guys to take the advantage of this limited time Hostinger deal. So grab them before they get expired. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.